Top 5 Underbone in the Philippines. Number 5. Honda RS 150. Maximum power 15 hph. Fuel tank capacity liters 4, 3L. Bore X/5 7.30 max 57.84 millimeters. Drive type chain drive. Engine type single cylinder, 4-stroke, 4-valve, liquid-cooled, DOHC. Exhaust pipe single exhaust. No of strokes, 4-stroke. Cooling system liquid-cooled. No of cylinder 1. Maximum torque 13.5 Nm. Number 4. Supra GTR 150. 1276 millimeters. Overall dimensions: LXWXH 2021 x 725 x 1105. Curb weight 121 kilograms. Seat height 786 millimeters. Ground clearance 150 millimeters. Fuel tank capacity 4.5 liters. Fuel system PGM-FI. Battery type 12 volts 5.0 IMF. Wet engine oil capacity 1.1 liter. Maximum power 11.5 kilowatts at 9,000 revolutions per minute. Maximum torque 13.6. Number 3. Raider 150. Max power 11, 5Q9, 500 RPM. Max torque 12.4 nanometers, 8500 RPM. Engine type 4-stroke, oil-cooled, 4-valve, DOHC twin cam, 1 cylinder. Bore X/stroke 62.0 millimeters x 48.8. Engine displacement 1/7, 3 cc. Compression ratio 10:1. Fuel system, carburetor, cooling system, air-cooled, lubrication, wet sump. Number 2. Yamaha Sniper 155.5. Displacement 155 cc. Maximum power 17.8 hph. Fuel tank capacity liters 5, 4L. Compression ratio 10:1. Maximum torque 14.4 Nm. Engine type single cylinder, 4-stroke, 4-valve, liquid-cooled, sock engine. Clutch type wet, multi-plate, assist and slipper. Drive type chain drive. No of strokes, 4-stroke. No of cylinder 1, valves per cylinder 4, injection type fuel injection, valve configuration shock, cooling system liquid cooled, lubrication system wet sump, exhaust pipe single exhaust. Bore X/58 max 58.7 millimeters. RPM at maximum power 9500 RPM. RPM at maximum torque 8000 RPM. And for our top 1 Underbone. Top 1. Raider 155. Displacement 1/7.3 cc. Maximum power 18.2 hph. Fuel tank capacity liters 4L. Bore X/62 max 48.8 millimeters. Valve configuration dock. Injection type fuel injection. Cooling system liquid cooled. Exhaust pipe single exhaust. Clutch type wet, multi-plate. Engine type single cylinder, 4-stroke, 4-valve, liquid-cooled, DOHC engine. Drive type chain drive. Maximum torque 13.8 Nm. No of strokes, 4-stroke. No of cylinder 1. Compression ratio 11:1. Valves per cylinder 4. Lubrication system wet sump. RPM at maximum power 10000 RPM. RPM at maximum torque 8500 RPM. Dubbed as the Underbone King in the Philippines.